What do I look for in a resume?
I'm looking for your GPA, anything that connects us, whether that be your contact information, where you're from, your interest.
But I also look for much more than that, which includes leadership skills. Are they part of a student organization?
We do look for people who are the president of a club or they're very involved in community service.
What do I look for in a resume?
One perfect sheet of paper. No mistakes, absolutely no typos.
Some resume don'ts.
Definitely don't overcrowd the resume with too much information.
Don't abbreviate or use loose language or loose terms.
Don't misspell words.
Do not make it too lengthy. I prefer one page.
Don't forget to put it in a PDF format so that any employer can open it on their computer.
At the top should be your contact information, name, phone number, email address, that sort of thing.
I would like to see your education at the top, followed by work experience. Then I would like to see clubs, and then at the bottom, if you have space, extra skills.
But I think the biggest thing is making sure that your resume is easy to read and it's not too heavy and too cluttered.
I'm really looking for just a quality individual who has everything laid out really neatly and concisely and is using a lot of action verbs that show impact.